Welcome. If you've been searching for a way to save data and speed up your browsing in Google Chrome after Lite Mode was discontinued, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you an easy alternative that helps you browse faster and use less data, all by adjusting a few settings in Chrome. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Chrome app. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap on those. This opens up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with different ways you can customize your Chrome experience. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it to open up more options related to how Chrome handles your data and keeps your browsing safe. Within this section, look for an option called Preload Pages. This feature is designed to make your browsing experience smoother by loading web pages in advance. Based on what Chrome predicts, you'll click Next. Tap on Preload Pages. Here, you'll see a few choices. To get the best balance between speed and data savings, select Standard Preloading. This setting allows Chrome to preload pages it thinks you're likely to visit, but it's more conservative with your data than the extended preloading option. By choosing Standard Preloading, you're enabling Chrome to load pages faster and use less data, very similar to what Lite Mode used to offer, but with more control over your privacy and bandwidth. And that's it. You've just set up a simple alternative to Chrome Lite Mode. With these steps, you can enjoy quicker browsing and save on data without needing any extra apps or extensions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.